Hello guys and girls, my name is Pear. I'm here with DC. Today we're going to show you guys how to do an oil change for a 2012 Supercharged Range Rover. Okay, so before we get started, I recommend that you pick up a few tools to make the job easier. You will need a 90mm oil filter cap wrench, a new oil filter, 8.5 quarts of L322 full synthetic oil, torque wrench, socket attention, 13mm wrench for the oil drain plug, oil pan, funnel, some paper towels, gloves, and screwdriver. Once you have all your tools set up, open the hood, remove the engine cover, unscrew the oil cap. Use the oil cap wrench to break open the oil filter, but don't remove the filter yet. Alright, so next thing you want to do is to put your car in the highest height setting so you have enough space to crawl under. There's going to be 3 screws. It's going to be 2 8mm and 1 10mm screws. So you remove those off so you can take the bottom cover off. Alright, after you remove the bottom cover, use the torque wrench with the 13mm socket to remove the drain plug. So next, we're gonna remove the oil filter and put the new filter in. Make sure you change the rubber seal that comes with it in the box. After you complete, you torque it out to 18.5 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so last step, to close the drain plug and torque it out to 17.5 foot-pounds. Then fill the engine with 8.5 quarts of 5W20 full synthetic oil. Then close the oil cap. Put the engine cover back on, and then voila! Thanks guys for tuning in and watching our video. If you found the video was really helpful, please like, share, and subscribe the button below. Thank you. Bye.